Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles. We are doing a quick test drive video of this 2012 XL1200V Sportster 72. Obviously, very customized look here. Got a definitely, it's going with that chopper vibe with the Sportster. So let's give her a quick spin. 5,753 miles. Watch out for all these grass clippings, dude. Very cool bike. It's definitely got a unique, one-of-a-kind feel to it. I don't think you're going to see too many out here like this. It does sound really good. Got a nice growl to it. Does have a stage 1 with the Screaming Eagle heavy breather, Vance & Hines side shots, and I believe a Vance & Hines fuel pack underneath the seat here. Got a Lapera seat that, truthfully, my butt is definitely having trouble getting used to. But, you know, they say there's an ass for every seat. Could be yours. If you're new to Sportsters, this is a 1200cc motor. This is the evolution in the Sportsters. So, been around for a while, this motor. Excellent running, excellent performing motor. It's a fast bike. Love to just pull in front of traffic, man, honestly. She's definitely a you know, a bar hopper. You got the 2.1 gallon peanut tank, tall risers, Z-bars, aftermarket grips. Aftermarket everything, really. There's very little on here that hasn't been customized. He's not happy. Definitely need to adjust the suspension back there. It's a little tight. It's a little tight on my backside too, buddy. If you give me some space, that would be great. Solid bike, great bang for your buck. I mean, there's a lot into this bike, so if you like that kind of chopper vibe, it's a nice little scoot for somebody. So if you got any questions, visit our website, southeastharley.com, or feel free to give me a call at 440-439-5300. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.